All right, Troy Young. Now calling the matter of People versus Troy Young. This is ticket number SP 1353523. Count 1, accident, drove without due care or caution. Count 2, leave scene of accident, property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
My name is Troy Young.
Thank you. Judge, Mr. Young inadvertently missed his last action date. It was for yesterday. He appears today having mistakenly put the wrong date on his calendar. Would you be so kind to reset this for trial?
I will. The new date is going to be May 5th, sir. May 5th, 9 a.m. Now, I know you got the documentation, but put it in your phone today. That is May 5th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
You have a remainder of your day. Be blessed.
All right, you too. Have a good day, okay, Mr. Young? All right, you're all set. You can sign off, okay, sir? Okay. Willie Wallace?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Willie Wallace Jr. This is ticket number SP 1283467. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name, please.
Willie Antoine Wallace Jr.
Thank you, Judge. We're here for arraignment, so we ask that a not guilty plea would be entered here today and the matter would be set for a pre-trial, please, and thank you.
All right, at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I am going to set this for a pre-trial. Is it no April 22nd? Make sure that's a real thing.
I'm sorry, we had it in before. Wait. No, so April 24th. And then you didn't put that thing right there. So
April 24th, sir, is going to be the next day you come back, okay? April 24th at 8:30 a.m., okay? Via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today, okay?
Yes, ma'am. The same
All
meeting
right.
ID number?
Same meeting ID number and everything, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you April 25th. I'll set your bond at $0, okay? 24th, I'm sorry, 24, April 24th, okay?
Yes.
All right, we'll see you then, okay?
All right. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend.
You're welcome. Thank you. You do the same, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Wallace.
You as well.
Keeman Way?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of People versus Keeman Wade. This is ticket number N800243222. Count 1, possess no fishing license. Ticket number SP 1210762. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Also calling not on my docket for today, but scheduled for March 27th. Ticket number SX 4154365. Count 1, the default. Let me see what it is. Count 1 default is expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3 is another count of expired plates for some reason. Also, no, because that's a different ticket. I'm sorry. Count 1 is no operator's license on person. Count 2, no proof of insurance. And count 3 is expired plates. Is this last ticket on here too? No, it's in default. All right, appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Jimmy Carl Wade.
Your Honor, I did discuss with the defendant not only the instant case on the docket, but as well as the ones that were set for the future date. As to each and every one of those cases, for arraignment purposes, the defendant pleads not guilty. Here we ask that the matters be set for pre-trial. I did advise the defendant as to curative measures, but I did want to make one last statement to Mr. Wade for the record. Mr. Wade, if you have a valid fishing license, you need to bring that with you to the next court date. And if you don't have one, please get one. They are only $26.
I have one.
Great. Bring
And
that
would
to
have
your
had
next
and
action
would
date,
have
okay?
had one that day. And would have had one that day. I believe I got the ticket on April the 1st, which is the day after the other license expired,
Okay,
and the shop wasn't open yet. So
I get it.
that's how I got that ticket.
Bring him with you next time. They'll treat you right, okay?
I have it.
Thank you.
Now, you wanna set up on a different step? Okay.
Attorney Bowman,
Yes.
there is a ticket, SX 412588851 that was on September 22nd of 2022 that's in default right now. You have any motions at this time?
Yes, I saw that, Your Honor. I would move to set aside that default. For some reason, he got the ticket in September of 2022. It was defaulted by October 17th. So please and thank you. Would you add that to the list and set aside that default here?
So at this time, the court is going to set aside the default on behalf of your client. Sir, we're gonna have you come back on March 27th. That was your next date that you were supposed to come back. Instead of the afternoon time, though, you're gonna come back at 8:30 in the morning. Now, Mr. Wade, if you need to show us some documents, you're gonna have to find out how to get on Zoom, okay? So we're gonna be able to physically see you that day, okay? So you gotta figure out how to get on Zoom so we can see those documents Attorney Baldwin has asked you to bring, okay?
Okay. Is there any way
All right.
that I can just bring them to? Is there any way that I can just bring them to the court and have them hand delivered to you?
You been consulted it first?
You wanna come in person then instead on the 27th?
I absolutely can.
Okay, come at 9:30 on March 27th in person, okay?
Absolutely. March 27th, 9:30.
Okay, I'll see you then, okay, sir?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You do the same.
I will, thank you. Thank you, Mary. All right, last but not least, Miss Sierra Wartarski.
Yes.
You turn on your camera for me, please. All right, now calling the matter of People versus Sierra Wartarski. This is ticket number P1303667. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name for the record, ma'am?
Sierra Wiktorski.
Thank you, Ms. Witorsky. Judge, the defendant is here for arraignment. So for that purpose, we'll ask for a not guilty plea to be entered on her behalf. Please set this for a pretrial. The defendant is going to return with compliance documents. She's been advised.
All right. Yeah.
Excuse me. So my mom did actually call me back while I was waiting, and she has her registration, but her insurance is lapsed. So I won't have that.
Well, I surely wish you wouldn't have said that on the record, but why don't we wait till the pretrial and tell your mom if she gets that insurance out of lapse, and if you arrive here and that's current and
Yeah,
valid.
because I don't have a car or anything in my name, so I don't want to have to depend on her because
wanna
she's
pay a
not
fine here?
dependable.
Do you want to pay a fine?
I'm gonna have to because she's not dependable. I'm gonna pay it regardless, and I don't have a car to get insurance or registration on. So
We understand, Your Honor. I believe the plea offer is for improper plates. The defendant is ready to waive rights here today.
Let me ask you this. One of the tickets, did you also get a ticket for a passenger seat? No, passenger seat that day, ma'am?
Yes, I was just pulling off from the corner store and I didn't pull it on before I'd pulled off.
How about this, Attorney Bachman? It's in default right now. You want me to take it out of default?
Please and thank you. I make a motion to do so, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna remove that ticket from default. Ma'am, can you make you wanna plead to the passenger seat, and I'll dismiss the other two tickets at this time?
I would stipulate
Yes.
to the four corners of that complaint for the purpose of the plea here today. I also stipulate to probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here. Thank the court and the prosecutor for the recommendation, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. At this time, stipulation to the four corners of the ticket has been made. The court is going to enter one plea of passenger seat, no passenger, no seatbelt, or it's no seatbelt. And the remaining two tickets will be dismissed. Ma'am, next time you're on the record, don't say so much though, but today it helped you out. But don't say so much like the attorney said, because you don't know how we're trying to help you. And we can't do it if you now tell us some information, okay?
Right.
All right, so the fine for that is 65. I'm gonna remove the late fees. We remove the late fees. All right, and I'm gonna really, now you only typically have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yeah, would I be able to come in today?
Yes, yes, you can.
Okay, I can pay it today.
All right, I'm gonna put it at 14 days just in case anything happens and you won't be able to get it, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set, ma'am. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you so much.
You're very, very welcome, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. All right.